Doctor, doctor, give me the news. I got a Sprinter van that's blowing a fuse.
Hey, what's up guys? Sprinter Doctor here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to load a PSM program onto the PSM. First, we're going to connect Zentry. I always just press the X button. That opens up Zentry. Just click on Mercedes, click on the van tab, click on 907, hit Zentry. All right here, I'm going to uncheck these boxes because I don't need to do a short test to load the PSM file. I'm going to click on this little icon right here that has this picture of the stethoscope and the clipboard. That'll bring up my list of control units. I'm going to scroll down till I find N26/16 Programmable Special Module, PSM. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click Continue down here. And then you just have to click the check box, hit Continue down here on the right again. That takes us into the PSM module. Okay, once you're in your PSM module, of course you need to make sure you have your PSM file on a thumb drive and have your thumb drive connected to one of your USB ports. Now you're going to click on Adaptations. You're going to click on Configuration, Manual Settings, Data Management, Loading of coding data from a file. Click on the USB icon. Now you're going to hit your drop down box and select the PSM file that you want to download. Click Continue. Click Yes. And now the file is loading. All right, the control unit was coded successfully. I'm just going to click Continue. Continue. All right, now I'm going to show you how to verify that your PSM file is loaded. In this case, I go to Actual Values, Multifunction Outputs, Output Voltages, and I can see here that I've got battery voltage on all of the outputs that I needed on, so that tells me that the PSM file is loaded and I'm good to go. So I'm going to hit the car icon and exit out of the vehicle. All right guys, thanks.